By the twilight in the morning, as I roved out upon the dew, with my morning cloak around me, intending for my flocks to view, I there espied a fair maid, I own she was a beauty bright, and I took her for Diana, the evening star that woos the night. I been so much surprised by her, it being the forenoon of the day, to see this lovely fair one coming o'er the banks of sweet Loch Ree. Her snow-white breast lay naked, and her cheeks they were a rosy red, and my mind was captivated by the two bright eyes glowing in her head. Fair maiden, I cried, your love I crave, for beauty is the Lord of all. I will wrap you in my morning cloak, and I'll take you back to Easter snow. Go home, consult your parents, and indeed, kind sir, I'll do the same. And if both our parents they give consent, neither you nor I shall share the blame.